Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS individual border sites. So quickly, in CSS there are also properties for specifying each of the border sites, like the top, right, bottom and left. So I'm going to use all this now so you can be able to see how it works. Back to our document. As you can see, we're having this. We have already did this in our previous video, but we want to do it in another dimension that will make it easy for you guys in case you want to use hard coded one, or you want to use shorthand one, the one that is having text value. Now let's use this. Let's break this our page right here. Let's quickly create border sites. Let's say we need left border left style. We want to change it to dotted. Let's see the dots. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Just imagine our left right here is having dots, and we can use the top also. Let's use the top also. Border top style. Border top style, we can give it dashed. Let's save our document and see what we got. Can you see? We have dashed at the top right here also. And when we want to specify the border right style, we can specify dashed also if we want. Let's use dash there. Can you see? We can specify anything we want. And the bottom also, let's change it also. Can specify bottom border bottom style, and we can specify dotted. Let's use dotted also. Let's reload our document. Can you see? We change each of the border sides using our shorthand property, like using our individual border sides property. This is it. This is our individual border style property. We are having border left style, border top style, border right style, border bottom style, and we give them different style values. So you can give it any type of value you want. Let's change the top value to solid so you can see how it works also. Let's change it to solid. Reload. Can you see the top turn to solid style? So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody will do that for you. Please. I think we have to stop here for now. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial.